any website we can advertise using by YouTube channel. In this we can use option called is community tab. When coming to community tab, to promote by any website along with the using images. The image will be promote along with the link also will be promote. So in this one, I'm searching for blogs. So here, in this, I'm searching here. Copy the URL. In this, paste it and copy. So what the image will be here? Search your save image. Save done. Next, upload image. Sorry. Upload image. Select image. Go to particular folder. Select it. Click for post. They see my image and finally click for link. They're going to be in my website. So what are the options are? Here we can promoting for Blogger and WordPress and any kind of website. This will be generating for traffic. That only total dependent by the images. So depend by images. Total YouTube channel will also will be promote. That is called select your total channel. Here will be learn YouTube marketing and earnings video tutorials 2019. Now select image. Select your image. Then these are the images. They mean nothing but they promote your course and they promote your videos. This is mean by getting for more traffic on your particular YouTube channel and particular website. So this will be added by your particular only for link. They see the keyword, they click for link. So this also will promote by your. This is nothing but engage the YouTube channel using by YouTube community tab. This will be created by particular video monetization to increase views. Second thing will be promoted by the website traffic. The community tab will be enabled when monetization will be successful be enabled on your option. 1000 subscribers and 4000 hour of views. That time you can use it by community tab.